I'm Phil, I'm reviewing software. Hope you're all right. There's one that I'm not sure about. I've been trying it. Well, I'm going to try and convince myself now and convince you. Always try and be honest in these reviews. So let's have a look. It's called Nexweave. It's all about creating interactive videos. Tell you what, let's have a look and let's agree together if it's any good or not. I've got to be honest in these videos. Whether you like it or not, though, always in my link is a great discount link. So even if it's not perfect just yet, you might be able to pick up this software for an amazing price. So click in that link and see what it's worth. I am Phil, I review software, and please do subscribe. Let's get the word out and help people make their informed choices about their software purchases. God, I talk some rubbish. Here we go. Let's have a look at Nexweave. All right, so I don't want to be too harsh on Nexweave, and I want to give them a chance, and potentially I think it's great. My fears are that it's just a little bit too soon, and I'm just having a look through. It doesn't look like it's that easy to use, and there's possibly other things you can use, maybe just like Canva, that will do nearly just as good a job. The one thing I really do like, so let's jump in and have a look, is that you can get a template, one of these templates, and some of the video templates. So here's one that I used earlier. And you can take the template. This is the template. So this is a template that you could send via LinkedIn to a potential client or via Gmail. And it has got Gmail extensions so that you can link this video up and you can send it via email to somebody. So if we quick play on the video quickly.
Hey, hope you're having a fantastic day. I took a look at your website this morning and I have to tell you it looks great. However, I do have some ideas on how we could work together to boost your CTR. Would you like to connect sometime?
And then if you click yes, it'll play this bit.
Great. Let me know whenever is the best time for you to chat.
And it's all interactive there. If they click on book the call, they'll be able to book the call with you. Or if they don't want to come with you.
Oh, no worries. Maybe some other time. Hope you have a great day.
So I like the idea and I like the concept. I liked the idea of being able to send someone an email which is personalised. I've said for years, personalised emails. Hi, it's Phil, and I've got that quote for you. So maybe you want to talk about it. Maybe people might think it's a bit over the top and they don't need that. They're like, oh, come on, you're just being a bit geeky with the tech. But, so there is the template. I'm going to clone that template now. And I've recorded this video earlier just to show you how it works. Now, here's my first little criticism. Yes, I could clone this video and I could upload. Here it is, this one that I've already done. And, so that's the background video replaced. The problem with this is, and I'll show it, it does work. It is all right. So here's me recording a similar kind of video, pretending I'm an SEO expert. Hey, it's Phil. As you requested, I've had a look at your website today. I like the look of it. There are a couple of things I can improve. The load time's a little bit slow, and I can do something with the SEO. So maybe you want to arrange a meeting and we can talk about it. So that's my video, but the problem was I had to look how long she talks in the first bit, which was 13 seconds, and record that first bit to 13 seconds, and then keep on recording after 13 seconds so that if they click yes, it would say, that's great, brilliant, shall we arrange a time, look forward to speaking to you. And then if they say no, I'd say, no worries at all, keep in touch, and maybe we can do something and work together in the future, you take care. All right, so yeah, good idea. If it's easy to set up little videos like that, I think it could take off. So that's the first thing to look at, but that's my little criticism. The average person isn't going to be able to sit there and record a 13-second video and get the timings right, and that's to use their templates. And there are quite a few public templates. Some of them, they're not all video templates, but there's not lots and lots of them. But here we go. There are quite a few templates that are there. The other thing I noticed, and again, I'm just being honest and transparent, when I saw this, was that I looked to edit another template before, which was it this one? And I pressed play in this one. So this is a template you can, so you could clone this template and you could make it your own. And I noticed, yeah, a bit drowned out there. I'm putting this in afterwards. Because yes, I was drowned out by the volume, but what I was saying is that in that video you can see that it's got the watermark, so they've obviously used that and made that video using a different service in video, and really they shouldn't have that showing, should they? They're going to use that template as one that you can use. That's what I was saying. It's not a big turn off, I'm just pointing out. And then again, if I go to my templates and if I want to create a new template and create a blank template, would I like this to be separate for mobile and desktop? So basically when it says separate templates, the desktop one's going to be a traditional 1080p template, won't it? And the mobile one will be a different size for your phone. But we click yes and we click confirm, and here we go. Here is your kind of design studio, and you can add text to it, and then you can adjust the text, you can add images, and all I'm going to say is, looking at it, it looks like there's going to be quite a steep learning curve. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not saying, you know, obviously I'm jumping on here and I've not read the instructions, so I'm probably the world's worst reviewer, to be dead honest. But this is the point I'm trying to make to you. You know, if you've got the time to sit down to learn the software, I think it'll be a very good tool. If you want something that works out of the box, I think there is going to be a learning curve on this. There's quite a few templates. These are all templates that you can use and you can customize. If you go through the list, and you can add your own text to that kind of thing. You can create landing pages, but there's only a couple of landing pages there that you can create. There's your campaigns as you get them running. There are the API keys, so you can link it to other software or other email serving software. And there's some websites you might manage with the tool. So have a look. It is a short video. I'm not being critical about Nexweave. Have a look, have a play. But my gut feeling is, great idea. It's going to take a long time to make those videos, and quite a long time to make and create unique templates. But that's not to say that it's not going to be a good tool for you. So click the link anyway, see what the price is, because it's a lifetime deal link. Here is my final review and my final thoughts on, I've done this in 2 videos now, on Nexweave. I'm not editing. Here we go. Oh dear. Sack the software reviewer. Nexweave. Would I use it? I've got to be honest, at the moment I've not got the time to go through the learning curve process to work out, but I do like the idea of videos that have got yes, no, that can get responses, and when you get a response it will play a later bit in the video, so you know you can communicate with people when they click, give them an answer. I love the idea, and I guess if I sat down and did all the tutorials I would be able to create stuff with it. So probably wouldn't use it myself. I will be interested, and I'm sure a few people will be very interested in using it. So that's it really. Short video. Nexweave, always in my links, the discount link. I always try and be honest with my software. If something doesn't blow me away, or if it looks like it's going to be hard to set up, I'm not going to spend ages learning it just to show you and not really proficient at it. I've got to be honest. Love you to subscribe. Hope you like my brand of reviewing software, and I will see you for another video really soon.